Hello, my name is John Mark Shaw. I am an executive and life coach, a business development consultant, and a professional speaker. I help people and businesses grow by developing a vision for where they want to be and a strategic plan to get there. I help individuals work with their inner guidance system to develop a vision for what they would love, whether it's in their business or in their lives in other areas, in their relationships, in their health and wellness, in their financial freedom and their time freedom. The first step is to be clear what you would love, to filter out the noise of internal judgment, of trying to gain the approval of others, of living according to other people's rules. I help people to step into their true path, the path of their greatest joy, the path that's connected to their inner guidance system, their intuition, their feelings of what they would love, what I like to call their hero's journey. And then, as they identify this vision, we also get very clear and honest about what are the obstacles. What are the internal obstacles, internal to my thinking, my psychology, my feelings, and my actions, my habitual patterns. If it's a business, internal to my business, our team, our process, our product. And then what are the external obstacles? The environment around us, the people around us, the competition if it's a business, the trends in the sector that we're involved in our business. So we get clear on our vision for where we want to be. We get clear on our obstacles. And then for all of our major obstacles, we develop a clear strategy about how to address that obstacle, and then a series of tactical steps to overcome that obstacle. It's called the strategic plan, and it addresses each one of those strategies, each one of those obstacles. We work in a context of a structure of support and accountability with a cadence of repetition. We spend time together every week reinforcing the vision, reinforcing the strategies and the tactics, and we hold ourselves accountable to the action steps that you and I together work with, that we know are in the direction on the strategic plan to achieve the goals. We're clear on our short, medium, and long-term goals, and over time we measure our results. And if we're not getting the results that we would love to have, then we look back, we step back, and we assess the strategies and the tactics, and we might refine them to make sure that we're heading straight towards the goal that we would love. And also over time, what you would love will evolve and change. What's important about all of the work that I do is that it's an evocative style. Evocative meaning that we are working on what you would love. We are working in developing something that's coming from you authentically. Part of my consulting practice is in giving directive support. I have a background, 25 years in business. I know a lot about branding and marketing and certain kinds of operations, and I'm happy to help with my directive ideas for how you can improve. But vastly more important than that is the evocative approach, where we work within you. We work to connect you to your inner guidance system, to your intuition. Einstein called the intuition the sacred gift, and he said that in our society we confuse the sacred gift, which is meant to be the leader, with what should be the faithful servant, which is the reason. But in fact, what we would love and our vision and our intuition should guide us, and then we use our reason to develop those strategies, those tactics, and keep ourselves on track over time. I really look forward to working with you. Please email me at john@johnmarkshaw.com if you're interested in learning more. And I do periodically workshops I call the Vision Workshop, where I teach transformational principles, what I call the physics of transformation. I hope you will attend one of those workshops. And please email me if you're interested in a complimentary strategy session to see how we might be able to work together. We can get clear on your challenges, get clear on your vision, and begin to develop a plan for you to get from where you are to where you would love to be. Thank you.